Richard,
Charlie!
what are you going to be making for us today?
I don't know.
Okay, that's cool.
Alright, have a good day.
See you guys later. Next video.
Mystery box challenge.
Mic's on?
Yeah, thanks, Ron.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Charlie!
Yes.
Now I'm going to make for you
And me?
everybody else here.
Oh, good, okay, alright.
You remember the Bennigan's Monte Cristo?
I do.
Okay. Well, we're going to do that in burger form because this is Burger Day. We're actually in a collaboration with a couple other guys. I'll tag them down below. And so we're going to have 3.
We are.
So yeah, I'm gonna do a beer batter, and I'm gonna dip it in there, and I'm gonna deep fry it, and you guys are gonna eat it.
Which beer?
Guinness.
Oh.
But not only am I doing that, you know, usually you do a raspberry jam preserve
Yeah.
that you dip it in. I'm gonna do a raspberry bacon jam.
Oh, where did you learn about bacon jam stuff?
I knew about it before you.
No.
But once I seen you make it, it's like, if Charlie can make it, I can make
Charlie
it.
perfected it, I think. Damn good.
Well, let's get after it, brother.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put down bacon. I got thinner bacon because I'm making sliders and doing the jam. Okay, so I'm gonna put that down and burn my hand. It's a little warm.
This camera caught that whole thing. This is the one you're going to have to get the
Oh, I'm leaving that in.
Slow-mo, dude. Slow-mo.
Damn.
We're going to hear in slow-mo.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go ahead and get onions going real quick. My hand's still warm. I'm gonna go ahead and make some. Well, I'm not worried about exact size because I'm gonna smash them down and I will trim the edges so that they fit my bun.
Lucky for you, your light doesn't match your outside either, huh?
Oh!
Hey, everybody, say bye to Mike. It's last time he's invited over.
Good one.
I am leaving that in. Again, I'm going to be. This is going to be in bacon grease too. I'm going to be trimming these off, so I'm not worried about how big they get.
You need to work on space, how much space you have, right?
Yeah, that's right. So I'm going with 4 to start off with. And then I'm using my salt, pepper, and garlic blend. Because I'm not afraid, George.
That's not Killins?
It is Killins, yes.
Oh, it is? Okay.
So Mike's parents won't eat these. And I am going down. Yeah, that's perfect.
You think so?
So I don't want a smash burger. On this side now. It almost look like sausage patties for breakfast. Okay, I'm going to start breaking down my bacon.
Some people it used to be hobby, now it's just a fish.
Those are some tasty little burgers there.
Yeah, let's get a few more done. I guess I can go ahead and do.
I'll
I'll do them all doubles.
Right.
As my hands are greasy. Oh, heck, I got it.
He can stop acting like
All right, so that's like a 2-cup jar, maybe.
Yeah, I'm not putting it all.
Okay.
Well, actually, I'm going to eye it. That's
You're
the
gonna
rare,
eyeball?
so it might take it all. Who knows?
All right, so we're
like
This is our raspberry.
or other autistic people that don't.
Bam.
cool. No seeds, right?
No seeds.
I don't
Nice.
know really what's in that kind of.
What, are you allergic to raspberry seeds? too?
No, I just, I prefer seedless because it gets in my teeth and stuff.
No, it's all about George.
Right, it's all about George
It's
and not getting stuff in his teeth.
it's all about not getting stuff in your teeth.
I think you better worry about getting shit in your beard and
Yeah.
your teeth. No one can see your teeth with that beard. I'm going to, I don't know, I didn't measure. I put that much flour in there.
Flour.
With our Kinders. Our Kinders. With just salt, pepper, and garlic. And then we're going to throw some brown sugar in there.
They pull the
Now, we're going to go with some Guinness. This is the, just stout. This is stout, Give Back America. Okay, never mind. Okay, it's just a stout. I know. You can't fool me, George.
I forgive you for what you were doing.
I bought you a cold one.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, I'll shut up now.
Okay, we're going to piece this together. I need an extra bottom.
You want mine?
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't need no bony ass.
That's what you'd be getting.
I got my own bony ass. No condiments.
Can you make it a little taller?
I could do another layer. Is that gonna go all
Not
the
with
way
those
through?
toothpicks.
Holy mackerel.
That's crazy. Okay.
Okay.
I mean, if this is successful, this is going to be the most successful thing you've ever done, dude. Holy crap.
Let's do the first one.
what did you shift about?
Wow.
That probably works.
Yeah, but it wouldn't fit in that thing.
Probably just cut down for it.
Oh yeah, you actually are right. I could have done that, and I have them.
There you go. Next time.
But that would have been easier.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
that way you wouldn't have to actually rip off an umbrella. You could save those for your wife's fruity little drinks.
Cindy, did you hear him? Did you hear Mike?
Actually, I believe that we could save the umbrella
For Dave
for
Russell's.
Dave Russell's
Yeah.
White Claws and
Uh-huh.
that.
All right, dude.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I'm
You ready?
Let's
I'm
see
ready.
this.
All right.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Stuck to the tongs.
Pull it back out. Pull it back out. Pull it back
Pull
out.
out! Pull out!
That's better.
Okay, so while that's doing that, I'm gonna do another one. Okay. I think that's ready.
I think that looks like something.
All right, folks. This looks amazing. And I have to admit, Rich, I didn't think you'd pull it off, but you certainly did.
Yeah, I looked at all kinds of recipes for this, and every one of them was just that you did, basically did the top bun and the bottom bun,
Uh-huh.
but everything else was normal.
Really?
Yes, and so it's like, yeah.
You just do the buns. No. Yeah.
I figured we had to go the full Monte.
We're going to the full Monte.
Right.
All right.
Now
So-
you got to figure out where toothpicks are.
I know. Well, yeah. Well, hopefully we'll miss.
You should be able to push down and they'll pop out.
Yeah. No, I actually made it through. Oh wow. And there's a toothpick right there.
Right there.
Yeah. Here, should I take those toothpicks out?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
See if it stays together.
Yeah, it does. There's one, and here's the other. And there's the cheese. Wow. I'm gonna let that sit there and see if this thing will. Sucker's popping right off over there.
Well, it sounds like you have to eat that one first.
I might. He won't stay still. All right, here we go.
All right, let's stop this and take a picture.
Here, I'm gonna. Here we go. There. Now it's good.
All right, get your bearded face in there.
Right? Not the first time I heard that.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Especially from a man. Especially from a man.
Damn bastard. Alright. Okay. Alright, so I've got some cheese. I've got my Monte Cristo. I've got the, yeah, so.
You want to try it before the bacon jam?
No.
Nah, just go in the bacon jam.
Yeah, I'm going to go to the bath.
Raspberry.
I'm going the full Monte here. Yeah, spread out some bacon, onion, raspberry. That's a bite right there, folks.
That is
That's a bite. All right, here we go. Let's dig in. Ah, man, I don't know. I think Bennigan's would, they'd be proud.
All right.
I really do. I do. There's a heck of a lot more bacon, though, in this. Man. The sweetness. It's exactly what this thing calls for. Otherwise, it wouldn't taste right.
So
And the burger. I mean, we were talking about chicken, right? This is a burger, and it just works really well. You'd think, burger, raspberry, but this reminds you more of that Monte Cristo. And if that's what you're after, it doesn't matter if this is a burger. It tastes now like the burger version of it. Man, it rocks. This is really good. This is really, really good.
all right.
I'm a big fan now.
You can make them at home?
I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to do this.
Damn it, George.
What are you doing? Ruining my diet. Well, hell, it tastes this good. You'd be a fool not to try this, folks. Just cook the damn food.
Just cook the damn thing.
Damn, cook the thing. Whatever. Damnation.
I know what I'm saying. Damnation.
Damnation.
I gotta eat this whole other thing. I knew I wasn't gonna, but now I'm
he's
gonna.
wrong.
We prepped us on the trailer and that stuff, and the storage, but we're gonna be.
Oh,
Dude,
oh,
you okay? Your hair's still on your head.
That was on camera, so cool.
What not to do? Shot out the side?
It wasn't, yeah, it wasn't
Yeah.
lighting. And
Jesus.
finally, you're like, ooh, I'm going to put that down and burn my hand.
Jesus.